Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikamamini siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst.
Hi, welcome to Disky Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
An apology to our people who are watches our podcast. Due to weather, I couldn't come live, so I'm back. I'm live today.
Yeah, Mr. Mzera. Ari kale hiso nje retla sona. No chekile game ya Kaizer Chiefs. Le team ya CAF le team ya Karaka mo.
Yeah, ke chekile nyane.
So when I came dealing with the performance, the team handle perform jwang le lineup ya bona, the starting lineup, it was proper already in time.
I won't say much. The team is there. The problem is on the bench. That's where most of the teams are being killed there. So I won't say much about that, and I was just told that they may sit us and that. But in a way, for African countries, things are happening there. But to Bali, they mean business when they as much as they're busy dressing. I saw the mentality.
Oh yeah. Because usually Nike put it together, man. More Kaizer Chiefs, it was performing well from first half to second half, but I don't know. Babulelo keep greedy. Babulelo ke more baskan it's about shooter because already enough for Nike when team never dala. They were not more proper. They were not fit.
Kirmakula la rapela buti. Arapela makula. And don't take Tapela for granted.
Yeah.
You have a spanela. So he can see next sample like the premier the player. Now my belief, our champa center. Look at Mbata. Mbata is into the third. Bombo guys, they do into the third. Kiyo mfano Chiefs and have a winner and to Bashuta. Prolonged name of the game is goals. You can jump on top of the ball and put it in your stomach or what, it won't work for you. But put the balls in the net, then we win the game.
Yeah, true. Plus, I wanna how to Makula Arabella, these Indians, I mean, or
Egyptians, Indians, Muslims, you can go there.
Or Arabella. Kibone little pen on Sendela or Nakamanka is cruising. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, Muaguang, Kanakachina, one never plastic. This one maybe definitely show us AI this clip. So, do you have any say about that clip AI sending in the never spend necessarily came Milibona as Chiefs?
Our multi-man.
Is this a Chiefs or a Pirates?
Chiefs. Chiefs. This guy, we would travel maybe from training, and this guy would just go out. Maybe we just go past maybe the river. We say stop. The driver stops. He would go out, and then he says he's meeting someone from Swaziland. There, he was just lying. He said he was meeting someone, and then he come and cut us and do all these funny things, and says no. You saw I was talking to this guy there. So and it was working with us because we thought no, hey, this guy was doing the right thing, and when we get there. We ready because this guy was there. He met with this guy there, so we thought really.
For to came is the key footballer. Nagi work talking, but one only like it naturally. Ya like kilo hoa di makalati. Eli renki mabusman di makula. Naturally one only like. Botaki ay. Botaki translates something. I can tell you, Bafana ba Middle Lands. Most of them were working on PSL, but those times, never it's until it's an keyboard. But as one and as I will want to change room. I can't know your cunning eye, wouldn't have tillies. But what a mask. We put your why much rat say Harizanga Ayuda. You know, strip can a cranucha span, that was to look at a passing 12 what to love with the mood. Marawa shaver name. I went to Pirates. I don't try. Manja story came to me live. I was going to go na kwene kichisa buti. Ngeta travel na. Twaluna uriko fela game so sharp goalkeeper 3. I na riti ribona no country alone o pasa.
So
nine chances I never get. And for real, I get a serious knock on my knee. I was like, this is not serious. The doctors did everything, and for real, I didn't play. So I really Rona Polo in Sokola. I remember I was playing for Pepsi the Angel, Nedimo NFD.
Yeah.
Governor. We were going to Bloemfontein. We didn't fly, we drove. Still like a tree. Now winter time over the Mara Kenya meeting about that. Kure how to pafu. Wapara di trek sutu kena kului. Outside nowhere. From there, little driver kului to Bloemfontein. Reakemi. Arifita raje ki instructions na tato fail ile na kama zea fail tapanga ona. Kena kauli is gonna happen there. So the players are khali. Dina Leon Anthony di believe au ne di Spanish tsengata di play.
Then Spanish alke. Me no nele ba Spanish.
Mamela. Ne kurmeti clip ya yona.
Yeah.
Ne rega na ground unda ne di Kenya ground coxi. Na ra ka khata fela change room ahlaela. Utwe stadium siduma is. Yes. Asa di Kenya ra ringa kena ground nguthuza. Ahlanye scream arish. Yabona manje le ntwana lena.
Akenya ntotsa
bamkhutse change room.
Akenya makhathakhatha.
Mamela.
No. So definitely, I'm wondering why already the nyakere khalene tse etsahala. Like now on Kef no se kale bana le problem, because I remember na kwekwa lona ka phone ne le game ya DRC Congo le Nigeria. Ba kurela ona le thing or voodoo buloi whatever. So now ya ba Pirates ine tse di busy ka this thing ya Lubombo. Your Koji the player tsa bona tse two, but now it turns now sebaring ba final Pirates, because bar Pirates someone wa bona o tsetse di chemical mo changing room ya Libombo da little piteng da, so then Pirates by defender bare bona ba dula ba tshireletswa u cleanser.
CAF rules in favor of FC Saint Eloi Lupopo. CAF has dismissed Orlando Pirates' complaint and confirmed the eligibility of Molia and Kashala. The presence of coach Guy Bukasa on the bench is also not punishable. However, his 6-match suspension from a previous U20 case remains. CAF has also sanctioned Orlando Pirates with $5,000 for denying Lupopo accreditations, $20,000 for spraying chemical products in Lupopo's dressing room, a major administrative win that strengthens Lupopo's position in the competition. Thoughts?
I get by defend. Mar the bottom line is by Spanish already. One monam tolo di mpatse khulu ra yon tata mutliti yon already. Una di salaria ina buffet li babu ita. But until I Spanish like Jomo Sono one said to me. Kenya ngaka 11 li di player. Uto wina di player. Understand? And again, I want to tell you something, Kastar. It's all in your belief.
For 42 years, KV Funeral Home has stood beside families in their most difficult moments. We understand that losing a loved one is never easy. It's a time for mourning, remembrance, and love. At KV Funeral Home, we bring you peace of mind with a caring team that handles every detail so you can focus on saying goodbye with dignity. From custom tombstones, coffins, fresh flowers, and wreaths, to funeral and memorial planning, transportation, luxury family cars, video recording, and live streaming. We offer a one-stop, personalized service trusted across Soweto and the Gauteng area. Choose a plan that fits your family. Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity.
Psychologically, rikaushaya written to the snacks deciding thing. When I was to gaming, also Leo. So now I'm telling him that I want to eat snacks, and I span it. I did.
It's like disturb your brain from the game level, or making sure I focus. We're not over not or something.
1986, Negrigo, where's this place? Ona kwa. re tswile ka team yaka by then a re fitla o tlang gono mongwe o faile gono a re a itswe tlap mo grounding ena score sa mo is 6 o ya kodimo ke a o jiwe ka re for real mama itse a di kena grounding tsele di bofa di Cox ka ofela re vru start le game re jale ka ofela di sta ka tswa ka ntsha tlapa ya ka grounding ra ka matsa ya go fura gasa ground ra kenya di Cox ra di shapa partsele phone daile nya bona ba tlwaetse mo yetsa
azange spa
bona ba focusitse onna and instead na ki shabona se ke ba shaka psychology simple thing grof salt
right bana nora because usually nane ke ipotsa right man if this thing yaspan I must Africa ngabe re shaka di cups tse bar from the World Cup
bo Sundowns ba tla shapa ka metsi ya batho ba kereke ya dikhaki batho ba le bona samwe sama ba mnati bo ma chance ba tla o chaela ka batho ba bo chapi mtali kinto tsa bona
kochore every team ina le makata
ayikho except the whites but libona that's why bona they can't do without Africans in their teams bana libo taki bantsha diphiro raman batho ba le ba sorite so but le ka ba le yona machita tsa perform le ka ba le yona machita sa utwana I never span
cause then sometimes wa bona ska hore different ka ba mangamla now my thinking kere I think Mangamla by Spanish, Patrona come Horbanyaza, we think what I but I never by Spanish, maybe the Baka can never eat house, even Kariki Polichore, Rutona Mukele Longra. I know these people they like their shoes or Barata skinny sabona, but maybe they are using something.
Both of Calvin Lane, Vati or Wapatsi or Crown Wabu, Vati Washat Wakamita feel. So what we do in a personal, next actually look at the Swarantati. Nezaginka Chiziaka. Kileka wina chi final ka ya Philips TV ka kola 60 wa chablane Vultures na Cyber into asa iketsisa Cyber so Nali Brazola the late may soul rest in peace we went to Orlando re lonka di chase sa final azanga re tle straight go 60 re fitile plekeng ra lo tshuna nto re tshuna ko di chase ra fitla ra bukatsa ra bala o yena a tse go rentse ka wina di TV tsele tsa Safa go ta Philips tsele ke shapa ja 11 experience 2-1 I know I just at ibu re wetsala o tlile after ne una a chilo bra smu wa 11 are shle shangana kana le o sebenzisa umuthi and for rene ku thechisa and then theshela na di cup tse pai lokshi mo di tournament ke di ngandile silently ke ntse ke tshwara jezi wa bona label ya label ke mone ke tshwara teng jezi label ya moskinding le mo mlaleng ke mone ke tshwara jezi mamela
cause I definitely auchuche I na vele le mokelelo ne rena lo utlwa vela ba ra e udlala le ba batla o shaka le king a o dlala le mastanga la batla o shaka le king a o dlala le but no I think I can check everything a o ringa ka fela it shows or every team ya Spanish le king
nabra stand le mo rebetseng wa ntseba screamer shabalala may he so rest in peace nane ke thuba butwa bo tsomo sono bo Dr. Kumal go and ask them about me they'll tell you. But if luck is not on your side, forget boss. It's not there. It's not gonna be there.
True.
So naban shaile na, nakabe kizadido Sundowns. Isampane li Shushan in piano. Nkabe kizadido Pirates. But fail al tamale ding. Nekareka zesisi tato. Rato ta di groundung zaro. Agi fitla senki to check a groundu. Are kaje kuska kena kai gena alaya unga genida. Next week kitala ya narno mutla mingangeni genane alai ka crowding khanti hayo ban seletse ka gata ke dutse ko lesedi clinic for 6 months ban tsile operational le tula right ke sa ragiwa ke ban seletse fela ka gata
since the ke na go bolo store
unna but I never gave up. I kept on Jimmy Samachita ke coach futhi I was successful in my coaching iso bili ya no ya certificate ya sambe no dlariwa disk nane ke fitla ku winele game me o monga mputsa kwenzwa yini bheka abafana baphelele bahlangene bayathanda mawuyeka wayihlapiwa karubano motivate abafana bathanda mina bazekimi bazengami so mangihamba nento yami ikimi lento ayikho kithi
abapitso mo di gaming tsamlo itsene di dlala da azanke wakopana nje le di team tse reng wa bona ra ba Spanisa bolo voodoo witchcraft
mfana kithi ya Midlands wa batlo bona le khemuri la Spana ke yona kasi ne ke hluphana le yona Midlands le PMV ne re hluphana strong mara go chalo there were times I get on capital blush away 3 o'clock ne ke le crowd da hostela ke tsamaya tshama le ba re ke bra chuki alla ta ka mesidisi a emo ke ilo etsa ntho tsa ka ground a ke qeta ke hutle ke ilekse di kiti ke late machita re ground nane ke wina ke musi o se una lona le tla fela gale na ke dladile ke winne lona se le tsa fela a kitse class se le spetella fe
yeah sere dala for 5
formal ya batho ba shore ground nona le
ba
ya mara na ga le rishaile se tseti
yeah le shaile before the
nana ke wina game ko chiming atiaka chiming anteri chima se ke tseba re ke bo fela ka bo mang ha o bona Pirates o shebana tla ne ba re ke Dube Progress ne ke tshwere mamela everything was happening there ne di tla ya bodyguard ya slow ya Thabo Mbeki ya slow pule molentoni lino batho ba sheba Pirates ba re mtse we khumbuli Dube Progress ke tshwere bo Jomo bo Shakes it was happening that time
not sorry the players
mamela nna ke fitlile na lady ka etsa lebitso ka bo Maharaji ka ya Dube ke phikisana le Continental ya file ka etsa a chaka Dube Progress
yeah no kore it's after injury said I know you won't stop wa continue you
coach was a mini all players ka thola le go tla sikwa ka be number 2 mo di mo association ya Safa Soweto ka ya Jabulane ka keno 60 rabali Soweto Shining Stars ranka cup ko Millionaires ko ngaso
and most of those games they buy normally not witchcraft again.
No ways, you can't play without that. Money tournament thing.
What you get
Bang khabafana ba la ba kana ground. Ya shaya perfume ya labidas. Mara se ke apere ke ang ting khantengwe. We share as of now machita pa na na system mar kana ground ngar dumedisana. Le sheba na hampi.
Oh.
Yeah, the tola di order te negative so na ne rsa ne ke tsiba no na ke shapa ri.
So kopo botsa this thing is it Kev right there final Pirate for this thing or e ba final because Lubombo it's a the chemical
kile ha ela yona nthena ko Africa. It's only that they didn't know how to defend Lubombo riskatswa.
Yeah.
Kamla wa teng o la le flop tse pa ka be itswile Lubombo. So they couldn't bring it out. They have to look for something about penalizing Pirates Kayon.
Oh.
Yeah, like
the problem is that these people are fighting with South African teams, as you said.
Everything is in Africa.
No, the last Rabona, I wonder Sundowns on Yodala Juangayagada, because Yodala Lebona Gada, Gasilia Bon, and
if I was TV, Bakay is a trouble. Because the boy never did the TV car about it and 12 on it.
Yeah, as you said,
you tend to be a thug, a smuggler out of Africa. So, I was really pillar for you, the club, run in the country. But how do I feel? I was smart about I never hooked. So, Sundowns who you own. Not much he take him, said I feel like a it's fine, but be careful, Lulibon.
So, Kaizer Chiefs, you are not guy who la second. I wish you don't manore.
If the bench does their thing right, Maramakula ala appeal.
Yeah.
Luna Sapanel was the police. Bonavaya Padu.
They make sure I wanna.
The only thing that will make Chiefs survive. Pascal Dumela Makula la Cor.
Yeah, it was
Makula la Cora Ufedile. Because she's Abaka Cora, but they have to come back with 2 goals. Arriba ali ileko kwa. Bona Makula le wakebeta sure Makula le akor unless ibe 2-1 2-1 it's fine but laba ba di penalty.
It was like and then congratulations ubone ntwane ya rona TLB le na ba re wa va nga ro sign wa ka ki team king ya ka US Chicago FC if I'm not mistaken.
Transfer update. Orlando Pirates defender Mbekazeli Mbakazi has traveled to the USA to discuss a move to MLS side, Chicago Fire, as per Mark Gleason.
Pirates were on it now.
Yeah.
And already, Leagatama TLB, there is a replacement for him.
True. That's already by.
So, development of Pirates, it started with Makanya. Makanya is the one who came with this thing of bringing these young boys up there. So now the main team, they turn their eyes onto the development. And the Liha by Lolata didn't want to say blind. Baba Batsibur Bati Spansa Juankai. So Sosa via TLB. Kepe never gonna. Kyolen Kota is hit where he is. Kepe gonna.
Plus, I think it didn't get to Alamboma next year.
And after the final is what they're saying. After the final, then it's leaving.
Yeah, because they won't do the keep our labor. And I think if plus Fandakumo came here today, Utodala, Ngarukuba injury, I know I proper no.
I wish to meet the scout as a Pirates.
Yeah.
That guy he knows football.
What's about
Tamailo Recafela and Totani do the benching Felejar Kajaria last year. Actually, into an outband.
Yeah, I got a good little Ritabating to my Julio Bruce. Leonard, I went to final duty, but Balebale, how not Ruto Chinchakele Lodge as some cove. You know, in the finale, and then no soon in Jerry to keep a Timia I or Muto keep a molesting or I came on, okay, Vanena, Kemang Osala.
Bafana squad Hugo Broos will announce his preliminary Bafana squad for the Africa Cup of Nations today. Who should definitely make it?
How one coach Pirates Marai direct to you. Why we Mbule Limbata Kopenchi?
Yeah, the players are in.
We are going to go Broos. Bafana Bal Nasantiva do level skimu. He's on form or off form. According to the national team coach, those boys must always be in the team.
Yeah, it's something it's only mistake to Kaizer Chiefs. Cabo da Silva le Bovilagas. Like mo gaming Kaizer Chiefs ngabe win enze seba Kenya ko second half in a late nyan. Mtane Vilagazi says a creator goal or Babana goal from there. So Bana mo keep these coaches can't have a honobana the superstars they make sure they score and you know they make sure they perform. Bonaba dinga the superstars everybody bear then by Kenya scheme se Bonabas fila.
Bana no kichelete ya ula li penke invest as well. Da we are there once are filling.
Yeah, because I remember Lena Kuje ya Kaizer Chiefs you re akere ne betse ngaruto va o rutlo etsalang but etsa lora hutla win ke bone no di lasa no dlalwa le this Indian so ra ya motho untitse scheme se askentse nje line first lineup ya it was not prop and
sazoqimi bana
sabana utlonyeyo
la sazoqimi bana ke ratang ka Kaizer Chiefs supporters. When they win one game, it's like they've won 7 games.
Yeah.
They go all out, making noise all the way. Now we are out, we accept, happy. But we're focusing elsewhere. We still have got a chance. We are facing a cup. Coming next week, we are in a cup final. Right?
True.
Then this side, we are chasing the league. Right? But instead of focusing onto their games, they focus onto Pirates. And Pirates doesn't even worry or think about them.
Yeah, and
that is what's killing our teams. Look at Sundowns, they're quiet. They're doing their thing, being silent. That's how you do. Shebatsa how to edit Samakelwa.
Yeah. Begin the bazaar. So any last word that you wanna say? Go Bafana ba Pirates ba dlala Mfanda Khangar ba dlala le Chippa United.
That is our bread and butter. And this coach is going to make sure we go win because he had enough ample rest.
Yeah.
Rest no leading to another tie. So we are not Kenya Mausia Mancontre. So Han Aliamu, the regular tie, Kavia di Ranyan. A Kenya Baba Sati wing Baba to buy prove a libon.
Yeah.
Or come next week, Bamula, Banker or Sheba, Kenya only or because some sharper scheme and herself the coach.
True.
Yeah,
Kenya but Baba Unco finally Baba brand new players our to the Kenya but to design more finally more no chance at Allegati or Ratzibor their winnings.
Mfana Pirates it's up to the coach and his technical team.
Alright.
Or not as a lawyer high wrong. A bad start, it's a good finish.
True.
And why one of the mistakes high. So Garba Murmeti message Jure, Eki Pirates, as Marumo Galazi. Watch out. So Ska or Mona Lee and Abakora Koning, I believe for ba korile what it's a shock wa korile ga motshwaro is very game so o tsogile le yona jwa le re bua maybe mo a leng tse a tsebo right but scheme sona se setiwe se setibo ro dlala boma nine all these things Pirates is up with a chance. It's up to them whether they want to win the league. You won. So I can win a game here vandaag. Then by Kuala Cape, by Kuala, by Leon. Because second round on us, no.
Thank you, Mr. Mzerowa.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
Northern Cape ABC Motsepe League side, Gaza United have appointed Bradley Surprise Rolani, 38 years old, as their head coach. Venda FC take the win at full-time thanks to a first-half finish from Dale-in Makoa. Stellenbosch FC 100 games with 100 starts. Thabo Moloi Sane makes his 100th appearance for the club. Breaking former Bafana defender Sianda is wanted by Armenian Premier League club FC Noah, currently competing in the UEFA Europa League. CAF Award 2025. Full list of winners: African Player of the Year, Achraf Hakimi; African Female Player of the Year, Ghislaine Chebak; Interclubs Player of the Year, Fiston Mayele; Best Goalkeeper, Yassine Bounou; Best Female Goalkeeper, Shamaka Nadozi; Best Young Player, Othmane Mama; Best Young Female Player, Doha El Madani; Coach of the Year, Bubista Team of the Year, Morocco U20; Women's Team of the Year, Nigeria Club of the Year, Pyramids FC CAF Refereeing Awards. Men's Referee of the Year, Omar Artan; Women's Referee of the Year, Shamira Nabata, CAF Outstanding Award; William Ruto, Samia Suluhu, Hassan; Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, recognized for their contribution to African football; CAF Goal of the Year, Clement Menzies. Pirate 2 Chippa United 0.
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostani diski adlalile diski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yibonke ngijane laba.
No kiss, just a score line. Did you see that red at your post?